My name's James Durham. I'm finance manager at Harry Robinson Buick GMC. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about gap insurance, what it is and what it does. People don't realize how important of a product gap insurance is, and here's the reason why. Most people, when they finance a vehicle these days, they're paying so much money for the vehicles because of how much vehicles are right now. So to give you, for instance, if somebody comes in and buys a brand new vehicle, $75,000 worth, let's say your finance term, just to keep your payment low, is going to be 75 to 84 months. That's when gap insurance is the most important, because you're not paying off your vehicle fast enough to catch up with the depreciation of a vehicle. So anytime you finance for over 60 months, my suggestion is that you definitely need gap insurance, because it's going to protect you from what, let's say you have a total loss on your vehicle and you owe $70,000 on that vehicle. Most insurance companies are not going to pay that completely off. What they're going to do is they're going to give you what the book value of that vehicle is the day of the accident. So let's say you buy a new vehicle today, 4 years from now you total that vehicle. Chances are that you've only paid off not quite near enough on that vehicle to keep you from being upside down on it. So that gap policy is going to step in and pay what your insurance company doesn't. So let's say, for instance, 4 years from now you bought a $70,000 vehicle. At four years from now you still owe $30,000 on it. You've put a lot of miles on it, and your insurance company wants to give you $20,000 for it. So there's $10,000 that is left just because your vehicle has went away. Your payoff at the bank is still there. That loan's still there. It's not going to go away. That's where that gap policy steps in, pays that 100% off, and it's so important. You'll be very thankful that you had the gap policy. So anyway, if that's a little bit about gap, what it is and what it does. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment on this post, and we'll be glad to answer your questions. God bless. Have a blessed day. Thanks. Bye-bye.